Alright, welcome back. This is part 2 of the Hitch bike rack install. We put on the Hitch yesterday. There it is, all sturdy and ready to go. If you want to look at that install, check out this video up here. I separated them in case you only want to watch the Hitch, you can watch that, or if you want to do bike rack video, that's going to be this one. So we got the Hitch on. Now it's time to open up our new bike rack. This is a KUAT Transfer V2 3-bike. So we can put 3 bikes on there. I have not opened the box yet, so this is going to be interesting to see what's in here. So we're going to open it up, see what parts it comes with. Got a couple helpers here to help get it on the car when we're ready to do that. Open it up, check out the instructions, see how to build it, and then we'll be back to put it on the car. So when we get this set up, we'll open the box and see what's inside. Alright, we're ready to open the box. Let's see what's inside. Can I get a helper to help me on that side? KUAT Transfer V2. A bunch of goodies in here. Let's see. Got some wheel trays. These are going to hold our wheels in. Should be... I don't know. We're going to find out. So we got 3. They set these to the side over there. We got 3 big wheel trays. Looks like we have 3 small wheel tray thingies. Looks like those over there. We got 2 doohickeys. Oh, here's the third round doohickey. We'll figure out what those are. There's some fasteners in here.
Hey, Daddy.
Alright. What we got here? Oh. Got a little booklet on the Hitch Pro tips. Welcome to the KUAT family. And hopefully, oh good, stickers. Put stickers on something. Future Forest Initiative. Alright. Put those back in here so I don't lose them. Okay, also in here we've got another big holder honor thing. Oh, 3, because there's 3 bikes, so get those organized over there. We get all organized over here, all our parts. And also, let's see. Oh, it looks like a lock. Oh yeah, hey, it comes with a lock. That's awesome.
Daddy, there's a box and a box.
Yeah, we're going to get to that in a minute. Look, I didn't know it came with a lock. That's pretty awesome. And a bottle opener. Lock bottle opener. Set that over there. Ooh, big heavy piece. Let's check this out of the package. A ratcheting bar thing. Okay, put that over there. Holy cow.
Whoa.
Look at this. Wow. All kinds of stuff. Oh, those are the holder downer things. Those are going to go blah, and hold on the tire. Blah. So put those 3, organize them over there. Sweet! It comes with a lock. I did not know.
You said that already.
No, this is the actual lock set.
Oh.
Look at that, it actually comes with... I did not know it came with a cable lock. That's pretty rad. Thank you, KUAT, for the lock. Okay, that goes over there.
A heavy lock.
Here's some... Holy cow. Bunch of tools. Look at this, look at the happy face. Holy smokes. Yeah, there's the hitch pin. Hardware. Lots of hardware. Oh, I guess we're going to be building something. A lot of hardware and stuff here. Okay. That's what I'm looking for in here. Instructions. 3-bike assembly. So we're going to study this, and we'll come back and you can watch us assemble it. Maybe it shows you how to put on different bikes. Loading a bicycle. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're going to read that. That's important. Daddy's keeping that one. So here are the main big... Oh, there's another one of those ratchety things.
There's one over here, too.
Another ratchety pole. Oh, yeah.
This one doesn't have There's something in it.
Ratchety pole, because there's 3 and there's 3 bikes.
2 of them don't work.
Oh, okay, I was getting... Oh, I know what that is. Okay. That's the thing that sticks out in the kitchen. So here's the actual rack thing. Nicely packaged in some foam action here.
Foam?
Got a pedal because it pivots. So this is what goes into the hitch. They put hitch pin in, and this tightens it up somehow. So we'll have to figure out how that works. So that's the big beefy hitch thingy. Heavy, put it over there.
Oh, it's heavy.
And finally, the big bars that stick out the back. So I don't know if that all fits on the camera, but this is where we put our bike. So this stick out that far from the back of the car. Okay, we are going to read these instructions and somehow get all of these parts onto the rack and then onto the car. So Wish us luck. We'll be back after we read the instructions.
I gotta eat.
Upon further inspection in the hardware bag here, I noticed that everything is individually packaged. That's pretty cool. Everything's in its own little isolated chamber there with the right parts and nuts even attached to everything. And they give you all the tools required. So it's got all the wrenches in there that you're going to need. Hitch pin, it's all in its own little package. I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, we read through the instructions. We got everything laid out, including the hardware. And here we go. We're just going to put it all together, put it on the car. In case you're wondering what I'm putting on, put a little Loctite on, just to make sure they're extra secure. When I have nylons like this, you don't need the Loctite. It's got a nylon locking nut. Don't need to put Loctite on because they're already locking. Okay, so I found a flaw in their diagram here. And this one here shows to put it in that way. Clearly the notches are on this side. The slot is right here. And then on the next page, when you're supposed to put it on there, now all of a sudden, if I line up the notches so the hook's facing that way, now this is on the wrong side, guys. Come on. So they got that flopped around. I guess I'm going to have to change that over. Alright, Hitch is installed. It is folded up right now into the stowaway position. These actually fold all the way down too if we wanted to, so let's do that. And all I have to do is hit the pedal and then bring it down. Like that. I have a bike rack that kind of sticks out pretty far, so I gotta be careful driving this thing around. Let's add some bikes and see how it goes. There we go. Ready for riding. That's pretty fun.
We can even add the blue bike.
Yeah,
Yeah.
go get another bike. Oh.
Yeah, all of us could go out to the rest.
There we go. We got 2 on. We're in the process of trying to get a 3rd one on. We can get a 3rd bike on simply by putting it up like this. There we go. Alright, there we go. We got our KUAT rack installed. This is the Transfer V2 3 bike. And we got 1, 2, 3 bikes on it. It's actually pretty secure. I mean, this is shaking the whole car around. We can do some bike racing. We can go to more bike events. So I am super excited.
Me too. Me 3.
Me 3. Alright, well thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, got a little something out of it. And we'll see you next time. Enjoy your ride. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Quick follow up here, some features that I really like about it. One, it's super sturdy on the car. And it holds bikes anywhere from 16 to 29-inch wheels. These 2 bikes on the front are 20-inch wheel bikes. So you can see it can go a little bit further down, and it can also go way up to the top. So this one over here is 26 inches, so you got a lot more room if you want to put a bigger bike in. And it holds on to the tire and right up around the front fork. So no frame contact. Keeps your frames nice and from getting marked up. Only holds on to the front tire right there and the back tire here. So that is pretty cool. So now we're going to get these off of here, show what it looks like folded up, and I'm going to take it off. So let's check it out. Another great feature, it also comes with a supplied cable lock. It locks right into the rack itself here. So it's getting locked up. Just see how that works. Take it off through the bikes. Some bikes like that, and you put it through itself, just plug it right in there. They're all locked up. Unlock it, of course. Got the keys. Take it out. And then you can go on your way. So that's pretty cool. And then when you get home and you're ready to take your bikes off, you can take all 3 off and fold it up. There's actually 3 positions on the rack. There's folded all the way up, and then down. You have the bikes in it. And there's one more position. So if you have a bike, imagine you have a bike here. I already took it off. I'm not put it back on, but you want to get into your hatch? Well, you can't because this is in the way. There's one more position. You hit the foot pedal. You can actually fold it down. One more all the way down there, and now you can get into your hatch. So that's why that feature is there as well. So that's pretty cool. So there's one, the hatch open position, carrying bike position, and then as it just was, all the way up, stowed position. So those are 3 positions of the KUAT transfer rack. There you go. So it's all folded up and out of the way. If you're driving around, you can leave it like that. Or like I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off and just put it in the garage. I'm not hauling around this big thing all the time, but pretty sweet. Really happy with it. Quality rack. Take some great rides with it. Awesome.